Hello everyone, welcome back to the UiPath Studio web series. In previous video, we have seen how to get started with UiPath Studio web and we have created a new project as well. Now we are in the UiPath Studio web canvas where we can actually design our workflow. So to get started with the overview of UiPath Studio web, on the left hand side, you can see there is an option called Open Project Explorer. In this one, you can keep your automation project in an organized way. First of all, when you create any new project, by default, you'll get a main XAML and you can add different XAML. To organize your automation project, you can click on plus icon where you can see add to project. And in add to project, the first one is activity. You can add different activities to your open XAML, or you can create a folder, and within a folder you can keep different XAMLs as well. And if you want to add different workflow, that you can do here as well. Workflow, I will give test, and yep, there we go. Now test XAML has been added over here and you can build your logic here. And you will be able to invoke the test XAML into main XAML using different activities which are available here. Like invoke workflow file. So this is the similar to Studio desktop version that we have. All things are similar, just the UI has been changed and Studio has been migrated to Studio Web. That's the thing. Then coming to the right hand side, you will get an option to submit as a template after you have built your automation. Suppose you want to submit this particular automation project that you have done in form of template, that you can do as well. Then we have properties panel where you can get the properties of different activities. I'll go to the main XAML now. And if I click on log message and if I go to the properties, then you will get the properties of that particular activity. Then we have data manager. In the data manager, you can create variables, arguments, and if suppose you have used different entities or different integration services, those will be listed over here. Thanks for watching and see you soon.